Alright, so not the usual video for the channel, but I've ordered a pair of sunglasses, more specifically a Persol, and wanted to share them with you, just in case you are planning to have the same model. This is the first time for me having both an expensive pair of sunglasses. So let's see what's in the box and find out if the wait was all worth it. Okay. So we've got the receipt here, so good. And then we have a very nice, rather nice cardboard box with the Persol sign. Looks pretty good. Let's see what's inside. Okay, we got something like a letter. Thank you for buying at Persol.com. I actually bought it from Persol.co.uk, so that has been the site that sells closest to me. Alright, we have something that is wrapped up pretty nicely. So nice actually that I don't even want to destroy it, but I don't think we will be able to open it otherwise. Let's see. Okay, let me just, yeah, that was expected. Okay, now when that's gone, let's hurry up. And here you could see the model. I'm going to put the exact model into the description, box below. And that's the actual box. Now we can get rid of this one here. Okay, and then we have a box within a box within a box. So we have a cloth for cleaning the sunglasses. We have something like an instruction manual. We've got something that I have no idea what this is. Maybe something related with the glasses itself. And here they are. So this model is also available in a couple of other colors as well. Let me just get rid of the clutter here so that you could focus on the glasses. They've got a black kind of border at the edge of the actual glass, which I found to be quite attractive. This is how they look like from the side. We've got the Persol logo here at the end of the arm, and then here, this is the place where you can actually have something engraved. It costs something like 10 GBP to have your name or your initials engraved. I skipped that because I thought it's unnecessary, but just in case. So these are my new Persols. It's not a purchase that I make very often. This is the first expensive sunglasses that I buy, but I thought it would be nice to share them with you, and probably could share some advice on some other cool models, on maybe what brands do you use for sunglasses, because this seems to be something that I'm now paying more attention to. Okay, good. So that was it. They look pretty nice. In terms of build quality, I've been told that these are pretty good, so let's see. Catch you later.